Okay guys, your device ran into the problem and needs to restart. So in this tutorial, we'll be fixing the error. The stop code is critical process died. If you guys are getting the error like this is a critical process died, your PC ran into the problem and needs to restart. You can follow the number of solutions in this tutorial. I hope on the either solutions will help you. In case if it helps you, you're going to share this video with your friends and family and let them also fix their issue. When I click on troubleshoot, I have 6 different options over here. I'll click on a startup repair in the very beginning. So the PC will check for all the necessary repairs it can attempt. See, a startup repair could not repair your PC. Either I can shut down or advanced option. Just run the system file checker SFC/scan now. So this process might take some time and let it finish and hope it repair your computer. So all of you might not get this message like there is a system repair pending. You need to restart the computer and run this SFC/scan now. So this process might take some time, and when it is completed, you're going to restart your computer and I hope it fixes the issue. Sometimes if you get the message like this, you just restart your computer and then run this command once again and I hope it fixes your issue. You're going to choose command prompt and click on that. You're going to choose the user account. So you might be having a multiple number of user in your computer. So you're going to choose the user. Make sure you have an administrator privilege to the user. Enter the password if you have password for your account and click on continue. And now here you have a command prompt. Okay guys, I hope command is visible. It will locate the bad sector and recover some of the files that is readable. So guys, you just have to press enter key after you type it correctly. Now you can see it is going on, everything is in process. Just give some time. Doing this might take a pretty long time, so just give some time. Finally, once you're done, you're going to press exit. So if it asks you for any kinds of permission in your computer like yes or no, you're going to type Y for yes and then press enter key. So finally, it's all done. You're going to exit it and now restart your computer. Troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, again you have an advanced option. Inside advanced option, again you need to come back to the command prompt and then you're going to choose command prompt and click on it. So guys, you have to type all the commands correctly without any spelling mistake. Okay guys, I hope command is visible or you can watch it in a full screen. So you can see, even I've left the command in the pinned post, it's a comment section down below. bsod.rec.exe/rebuild bcd. And guys, you're going to press enter key. So this might take some time. Finally, once you're done, you're going to type the second command. Okay guys, this is the second command you need to type. boot rec.exe/fixmbr. Click on enter. Okay, now the third command and the last command that you need to type. bootrec.exe/fixboot. Press enter key.
some kinds of access denied. So sometimes you get the message like this. So type all these commands correctly, and maybe in your case access is not denied. In my case, it's access denied. 2 commands worked successfully. 3rd command, access denied. So anyway, you're going to type all these 3 commands correctly, and then finally, you just have to exit it. Exit the command prompt, turn off your PC, and then start your PC again. Or just directly, you're going to restart your computer. The shift key and restart. Okay, just wait for a while. And then here you go. Now click on troubleshoot, advanced option, it's the startup setting. Click here is a restart, click on restart. So guys, here it is. So you have 4, 5, 6. Alright, you can enable normal safe mode. Your PC will be in a safe mode. You can enable a safe mode with networking. So if you want to enable the safe mode along with the networking, you can choose the number 5. Enable the safe mode with a command prompt. So you can enable the safe mode with a command prompt. It's number 6. So there are 3 different ways to enable the safe mode. So the normal safe mode is number 4. So if you choose it is, since if you want to enable the normal safe mode, it is in number 4. So here we go. So you can make your choice whether normal with networking or command prompt. The option is 4, 5, and 6. So let me try the normal one. So you can try whichever you like. Since the normal safe mode is in number 4, so either you have to press the F4 key in your keyboard or directly press number 4 in your keyboard. And it will restart your PC. And here you go. Finally, your PC is in a safe mode. You're just going to choose. It's a troubleshoot. And here you have reset this PC. Let's click on that. Keep my files or remove everything. If you want to keep your personal file, choose the first option and enter. Okay guys, this will restart your PC, and after restarting, this is what you get. So it's gonna take some time to get ready, and finally you have this page. So reset this PC. Yeah, currently I have a multiple number of account. So you're gonna choose your account, one you used to log in your PC. So if it is password protected, you have to enter the password and click on continue. If it is not password protected, just directly click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, this is what you get. Resetting this PC, getting the things ready. So give us some time and it will get all the things ready. Okay guys, now here it is. Once it gets ready, click on reset. This might take several minutes and we are all done. Your PC will be all the way ready to use. So finally, here is your PC all the way ready to use.